Hey there, Bricksers and Lego friends. Twoloosebricks here with the Planet of the Apes Lego set 70840. Well, it's not really Planet of the Apes, but it is pretty darn close. And let me tell you, the designers and the people who worked in the movie, I am sure, really put a lot of design effort into it from Planet of the Apes. Here's a look at it right now. I definitely think the influence was there from the movie back in 1950 something or other. If you look it up, Planet of the Apes 1956 or something, it'll come up and it will show you some pictures, and it's like these ones right here. So anyway, yeah, or maybe they got their inspiration from, you know, these comic books and stuff that came out, because they were also sort of had the Planet of the Apes thing going on as well, and you know, whatever. But anyway, this movie is coming out very shortly. The set is showing here at the Lego Shop at Home webpage for $399.99 Canadian, which is a very steep price tag for this. However, it looks fairly big. I mean, if we look at it, there's the box art, there's the back side of it. It looks really neat. There's lots of elements in there that's very useful for mocks or whatever, if you don't want to build this. But I mean, at this price tag, I would build it, and I wouldn't want to use it for mocks. There's lots of printed tiles, I guess, like these ones right here. But as I zoom in on them here right now, I'm looking in, I'm seeing stickers. Bad move, Lego. For this price tag, it should be all printed tiles. I know you have a thing about printing tiles for only certain sets, but you can use them over and over. Look, those tiles or those prints can be used for other things as well. They were on skis, which was cool. There's a surfboard, and it's also got stickers. This coffee on chain one, to me, looks like it's a sticker. Now, this 2x2 tile with the news on it, it looks like a print. So we got some prints, and we got a lot of stickers in there. So right off the bat, the stickers don't sit well with me for this price tag. And you know how I am for stickers. And for $399.99, they darn well better all be printed. But they're not. There is a lot of stickers in here, and that's just kind of disappointing. Even these ones in here look like stickers as I zoom in on them. The flip signs, they look like they have stickers on them as well. So, okay, well, maybe the flip signs could be okay for stickers. But like some of the other parts, like the tiles out front and that, no, they should be printed. In my opinion, they should be printed. Now, Wild Style got the new scarf piece, and I don't know if that's a new headpiece with or molded, you know, goggles, or if it's goggles that are separate. It's going to be interesting to see. Let's see what else we can see here. Getting up close, there's a lot of minifigs that come with this set, so that looks really cool. But you know, all the sets that are like in the $400 range plus seem to have a lot of minifigs, so it seems to be that the minifigures are the cause for the high price, or so it seems that that's the excuse that Lego uses, if that's an excuse. But of course, they cite it as tariffs and everything else from country to country, which I think is total BS. But anyway, plastic is plastic, and it's a toy. It's not really, there's not that much tariffs on it, I don't think. I could be wrong, but who knows. There wasn't before, and even with the exchange rate, sometimes I think right now the exchange rate is, I don't know what it is right now. Last time I checked a set around this price, it was actually cheaper to buy it here in Canada than it was to buy it in the US, if it was $50 or $100 cheaper in the US. So due to exchange rate and that, you know, it might be cheaper here. You might just want to check that out. But if you buy it at the Lego Shop at Home, don't forget you get points. So you get 400, well, you get 399 points actually. Anyway, that is it for me for right now, and hope that movie is good. And yeah, looking forward to see Planet of the Apes in Lego Movie 2. Talk to you later. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.